Check that out. Yaman na. Uubusin ko talaga yan. Uubusin ko talaga yan, guys. Oh. Nanbabo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Rosanna's Kitchen from Dila-Dila, Santa Rita, Pampanga po, nang galing ang mga pagkain natin. And if you notice on my table, grabe, so colorful. From, you know, the love of cooking until nai-invite po siya sa mga iba-ibang okasyon. Up until such time, they decided come up with a catering service. They have been in the food industry for quite some time. Yung mga delicacies po sila available like this Tagilo. So this is the native name for yung binuro. Meron din pong Atchara. If you notice guys, yung mga food na to, they are available mostly some festive occasion like fiesta. Ganito yung mga sinaserve nila. So let me introduce the food that they deliver. Starting off from our Cheesy Cassava Cake. I've seen some mga cassava cake na, you know, they grate cheese on top. But this one, the cheese is actually cooked. So let's taste it. Wow! Masarap pala ng may cheese. Oh, wow. Isa sa mga bagong dish na nakilala ko. So this is what they call baked Lechon Manok Tupig. Let me find out kung anong lasa nito. For the first time, I'm gonna be tasting this. Yan. So meron talaga siyang palaman sa loob. Kinuha ko guys yung end tail ng manok natin because this is the tastiest part. It also has a white sauce here. Wow. If I can describe it to you, it's so native. May siyang lasa ng coconut. Another food that we always see sa mga festive occasion, no? So this is their own version of their special bringhe. Siyempre guys, sa mga piyesta, teternuhan mo talaga ng Atchara. So, let me taste this Atchara. Makakarami ka nito kapag ikaw ang kumain ng ganitong lasa ng Atchara. Again, for those who are really into, you know, fiesta, yung mga traditional na pagkain ng ating mga, you know what, mga lolo-lola, talagang kilala ang Asadung Matwa. Ito yung asado na talagang sobrang tagal na pinalambot kasi lalabas na yung sariling mantika ng baboy. Grabe, kulang na lang talaga dito kanin. So for those of you who doesn't know, matwa means old. Kaya nga tinawag nila tong asadong matwa because it uses the old tradition on how to, you know, cook asado. Now for their dessert, meron po tayong ditong Milky Cheese Rolls. These are perfect for, you know, afternoon merienda. But for my dessert, I'm gonna be having this Chocolanay. This is very popular sa Cebu. But as soon as Rosanna's Kitchen adapted it, they give it, you know, their own version of look and taste. Let's taste it. Oozing with chocolate. Alright, so there you have it guys. Once again, we would like to thank Rosanna's Kitchen for sending us amazing dishes. Of course, I'm gonna be sharing this with my family. And as well as to you guys, thanks so much for being with us in this vlog. So if you're interested to know more about these amazing dishes, make sure to check out their fan page. So guys, thank you for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, I hope to see you there. Until then, keep safe, stay at home, and God bless us all. I'm gonna finish this guys. Thanks for watching guys. Bye!